Hello, I'm here to demonstrate my automatic wire cutter here. I'm using an Arduino Uno to control all this, and it uses this LCD plus keypad shield on top of it, and it's all housed here nicely in this 3D printed thing that I've designed. Uh, so basically how it works is that wire comes out of this box and moves into this extruding device that it's kind of made for 3D printers, but it works really well here. And it's connected to the stepper motor, which is wired up to this little proto board where I've kind of made a solder job for the driver here. And it comes out this way, and once it measures at the proper lengths, this DC motor will activate, turning this crankshaft and closing the jaws on this, cutting the wire. And it knows it does one complete rotation because I have this limit switch here, which is mounted next to this camshaft. So whenever it does one complete rotation, it will trigger it and tell it to stop. And the DC motor here is driven by this H bridge here, which this one's really nice because it takes 12 volts in, and it actually has its own voltage regulator and will output 5 volts, so it just goes straight to the board here. So all this works really well together so that there's not a bunch of wire mess. And I think that's pretty much it. Right now I'll plug it in and give a brief demonstration. So you can see here that it does the lengths in 0.1 inches because that's the spacing on like breadboards and stuff, so it makes it really convenient for that kind of work. Hitting left and right here will change its incrementation by 0.1 inches, and up and down will do it by whole inches. So for this demonstration I'll do it in 1 inch, and hitting select here will take you to the quantity, which left and right will increment by 1, up and down by 5. And I will cut 5 1-inch wires here, and I'll give you a nice little view of it working here. Nice, and it actually works really well. I'm happy with it. It gets pretty accurate measurements here. I'll kind of show you. I'm pretty confident this will be at least within like 0.005 inches because that's how most of them have been so far. Kind of hard to do this one with one hand, so bear with me. There we go. So 0.995. Honestly, it's kind of on the worst side of things. Some of them have been like 1 inch right on, so I'm really happy with this. Thank you for watching. Hope you kind of learned how I kind of did this.